This was the situation at Park Road, where the Nairobi City Council, together with heavily armed police force, arrived to carry on the demolitions of the kiosks that were situated at an already demarcated terminus, which was mainly constructed as a matatu designated lane. It is said that this is a move to decongest the city, whereby matatus along Thika Road will be allowed to pick and drop passengers here at Ngara.
Today we have an operation to clear all the bus terminus within Nairobi. We have a very big plan to move matatus out of CBD. All transport, public transport, we are moving them from CBD to these terminals which we are clearing. They were already encroached by illegal traders. So we had given them notice to move, but they could not comply. That is the reason we came to demolish them. So we are telling Nairobians, anywhere you are given a notice, take it serious and remove whatever you're told to remove before we come there. Because when we demolish them, people see us as if we are not merciful. But it is them who are on the wrong. We have to have an orderly city. We have to follow the laws of the country. For us to allow the president and the governor to govern our country, because we expect them to deliver in the next 5 years. We have already given them notice. If they don't move by tonight, tomorrow we are coming with very many breakdowns. We'll tow them away. We'll tow all of them away. And the illegal mechanics will be taken to court and they will confiscate their wares. All the cars which are already parked in the wrong area. We started with the Moranga A and B, which is next to Fig Tree. Then we came to the side road, where we cleared the mechanics and also illegal structures. Now we are on Park Road, and from here we are going to Ngara. Then from Ngara we are going to Mudhurwa, to Central Bus Station, and to Kenya Railways Terminal. We are bringing buses which apply on the Thika Road. All the way, Thika Road, all the way to Nare. All those buses are coming here. They will be operating from here. This is a dropping and picking terminal.
How long was the notice?
We under 3-month notice, then we under 24-hour notice. We also came and told them verbally. We told them that we were to come today.
Hizi vituko hazileti bidii. Juu mtu kama mimi nilikuwa nimeweka kibanda hapa nijinua nayo. Sasa imebomolewa. Sijui la kufanya. Lakini songo angalia maneno. Tuone.
Sasa nahuzunika sana juu ya mama. Wamama hapa wako na watoto, wengine ni asura. Wana wase hata mimi ni asura. Nikiona asura yangu akienda mbele hata mimi nitafurahia. Maana hali ya juu ngoje chini. Kama tulienda wapi? Tulienda huku. Wengine walienda Kuragwa Makura. Tulichagua tupeleke hivi. Hatukuchagua tupelekwe hivi. Alikuja hapa ile jenye ilikuwa inatengenezwa pale, akaambia watu hakuna kaji wenye atasumbua mtu hoka wapi town. Saizi hakuna hoka, waoka wenyewe wataenda wapi? Yeye anakula. Angalia yeye anakula na sisi tunakula nini? Tunakula nini? Nyumba tutafungiwa. Nyumba tutachagua. Nasema hivi. Tulichaguana. Sasa tukichaguana miezi 3. Siku 3 tukichaguana. Kule imekuwa useless. Tutaenda aje? Nataka kumwambia tunamheshimu na tunanyenyekea kwake. Akuje tena, atutengeze nini? Kibanda tena, turudi. Juu kama huyu mama mwenye ako hapa, ataenda kwa street ajiuze, si ndio? Na watoto, nasipa, watoto watakufa. Hao watoto wana mawasasi, hatuna nini, hatutachaguana. Wenye unasikia, wenye mwingi, hasa nasikia hata mimi nasikia. Mimi nimeandikwa, na siwezi hata kuandikwa. Nasikia, aligagaili wa vijana, atawapea kazi, na hakuna kazi yenye wapea. Si ndio?
Na siku ya leo tunahuzunika sana. It is very 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 much unfortunate. The government which we voted very well and it can do like this for its own people Tunahuzunika kuona kwamba as it is going on, there is no MCA, MP, governor, nobody who is talking to us. They gave us only 24 hours to move out from this place. We have been here since 1980s. Some of us, we have been here for many years. But today morning, they just came with a lot of askaris. They chased us away. They don't know where they want us to go. Our question is where the government wants its people to go. They are saying they are creating jobs for the youth and the wamama. But now wao wamejitafutia kazi yao, ni hao wanawapiga wao wenyewe. Tunauliza wanataka waende wapi? Our question is our governor, Sonko. You are voted by the very down to earth person to protect them, to take care for them, but you have not seen anywhere. We are not seeing you anywhere. Since we are voted for you, we can't see you anywhere. But what we need is, we want to be respected by our own government. Because now what they have done today, it is shameful to our government. Shameful to this, because these people, we don't know where to go next.
Some of them say that the 2-day notice was not enough for them because they do not know where they'll go after here. Paulette Mboga for Nare 360, Ngara area.